Hi everyone, we are here right now in Cold Lake and it's early in the morning and look at this, it's really exciting because the lake right now is so peaceful and amazing and we've been waiting this for the longest time. It's been like days that the water is so rough and we've been praying for it. But look at that, we have an answered prayer today and we're gonna have a great adventure going from one place to another using this yay great adventure while riding in this kind of boat, an inflatable boat. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us next time only here in Cold Lake in Alberta, Canada. Yay! And we will be able to go from one place to another only here in Cold Lake, and we're gonna see this beautiful view. It's very relaxing early in the morning and this is really priceless. All right, so please, and remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. Bye bye everyone, see you around. Thank you.